I'm Dr. Rowena Medina Mangubat. I'm from the PNP Regional Advisory Council of Region 2. I'm also a women's health advocate and a practicing obstetrician gynecologist. I attended here because Colonel Torre invited me to speak in behalf of the community, the medical professions, the frontliners sa health in representing Region 3. I'm asking or pleading to the police force, which I am also a member because I'm with the advisory council, to implement the enhanced community quarantine in a way na talagang totoo. In a way na talagang dapat inisip nila anong implication. Yesterday, 3 yung namatay na doctors. And those are people that some of us really know. Hindi po porke doktor ay superhuman. Sa Pilipinas, it's different. Kahit na sa China, first few weeks of the outbreak, it's going to be the health professionals who's going to be affected talaga. Sila ang unang mawawala. Kasi sila ang may talagang direct contact. And if you do not protect them, by what? By giving them the proper protection, the personal protective gears, and also if the law enforcement, if the PNP, if the government, the LGUs do not implement the lockdown properly and let people roam around and do business as usual, then ilan ang mawawala sa atin? Ilan ang mauubos sa atin? Parang hindi natatakot pa yung mga tao. Hindi, if you've seen Italy and wait for US, kung sa tingin ninyo ang US malakas sila na country, mayaman, pero magkukulang ang ventilators nila. Tayo, ilan bang ventilators natin? Ilan lang ang doktor natin na nandito? So kung uubusin nyo yan, dahil hindi kayo nagsistay sa mga bahay ninyo at hindi ini-implement ang quarantine wholeheartedly, yung totoo, yung hindi half-hearted, yung hindi nagbibigay kasi ganito, pwedeng ganyan, paligtad, yan na muna, konti. No, kailangan talaga i-implement nyo. Kung hindi, mauubos tayo. Mauubos ang doktor. Mauubos kami. At pati kayo, syempre, hindi pa natin alam kung paano gagawin dito. Kailangan talaga i-implement nyo. Kung kayo, na mismong nanunungkulan, nakikita nila, gumagalaw kayo, umaalis kayo, at hindi ninyo pinapollow yung gusto ninyong mangyari na quarantine, walang mangyayari sa atin. Mauubos tayo. Yung pagkain na binibigay sa LGU, hindi yan tinatago para in case of, in the future, doon nyo, hihintayin ninyo na maubos, doon nyo i-release. Hindi. Bigay nyo na ngayon. Bakit? Pag binigay ninyo ngayon yung pagkain sa mga tao, hindi sila lalabas. Pero hanggat hindi ninyo sila binapakain at na-assure na safe sila, ina-assure na dyan muna kayo, tahimik lang kayo, let us do our work. Let us contain this first. Tumahimik muna kayo. We will do our job. Let us do our job. Then, dun lang natin ito makukontain. Hindi natin kaya. Hindi tayo prepared. We were not prepared. Nobody's prepared. So, please help the government and the law enforcement, the bosses, those in the higher ups. Please do something about it. Please act now. It's not business as usual. It's not be ready. It's be serious about it. Hindi lang ready, nakapatrol, nakaganyan, naka-checkpoint. Be serious about it. Implement it. Kung kailangang talaga, no politics. It's no politics. No religion. No color, no region. Pare-pareho lang. It's for us, for Filipinos, for us humans, kay doktor, kay hindi, nag-aaral or hindi. You have to do something about it and you have to act now. As in, act now. Not business as usual.
Ilan na po yung mga doctors and nurses na
as of now, yesterday, as positive, I'm really not sure about the exact numbers. I presented it kanina, but I'm sure of the 3 deaths yesterday. In just one day, 1 death. 3 deaths. 3 doktor. And ang dami pong naka-intubate. Ibig sabihin nakatubo kasi hindi humihinga. So pag nakatubo po sila, most often than not, it's like a death sentence. It's almost game over. At alam nyo po, marami. Hindi lahat sinasabi sa inyo. Pero yung mga doktor po, naka-admit, naka-ICU, intubate, nakatubo sila. So, better do something about it and better realize na pag naubos ang doktor, walang gagamot sa inyo. Wala. Kawawa tayong lahat. Kawawa ang mga doktor, pero kawawa din kayo. Mauuna lang kami ng konti, pero pati kayong lahat, wala na.
Wala nang
Maubos
titingin.
tayo. Walang titingin. Sino titingin? Walang nurse. Walang doktor, di ba? Pati yung mga police, expose nyo kasi labas kayo ng labas. E di lahat tayo, paano yan? Kaya ganun ang Italy. Ngayon, asan sila? Matigas ang ulo nila eh. Matitigas ang ulo nila. Kahit sa US, hintayin nyo lang. Census, yung rates na yan mag-iiba by the day. Nasaan lang tayo? Nasaan lang tayo? Hindi pa tayo nagpipeak. Wala pa tayo sa peak. Ang Italy ngayon pa lang, pa-peak pa lang. Pa-peak pa lang sila. Ang China, 2 months, 3 months. Ngayon, nasa park na sila. If we do not learn from China, then wala tayong pupuntahan. Sa kanila, walang politics. Kasi isa lang ang nagde-decide. Susunod kayo kung ano lang ang sasabihin nila. Pero dito, kasi kinukontra, gustong i-initiate. Ito namang nag-i-initiate, nagdadalawang isip dahil baka matira sila. No, wala na po. Kaya doktor ka, kaya politician ka, matatamaan ka. Kaya kailangan talaga implement yung enhanced quarantine, yung totoong quarantine. At saka on their own na, initiative na ng tao, hindi na kailangan dahil sinasabi pa sa inyo, inuutos pa, uubligahin pa kayo. Kailangan tayong lahat na talaga.
Ma'am, kung i-grade niya yung ginagawa nilang quarantine ngayon, 1 to 10, ano po ang grade niyo sa kanila?
I cannot grade it talaga, pero labas lang kayo. Kita nyo, ang dami yung traffic, di ba? Ang traffic nung merong express lane for doctors and for food nagagamit, ang sikip ng kalsada eh. Hindi, kasi ang daming sasakyan. So wala. So yun lang. So by that, paglabas mo lang, maraming tao. So hindi siya talaga na-implement yung buti. In fairness to the police officers, gusto ba nila yan? Hindi nila gusto yan. Ang init ng araw, naka-long sleeve sila. Bakit? For their protection yan. Kaya yan naka-long sleeves. Hindi yung blue at sinusuot nila. Kasi interaction, pwede silang mahawa. Hindi lang doktor ang nahahawa. Kahit sila. So if you think gusto nila to, hindi nila to gusto. Walang may gusto nito. Pero kailangan to. Kailangan may gumawa. Kaya kayo, dapat tayo, yung mga ordinary citizens, do your share. Do your share. Stay home. Yun lang muna. Pabayaan nyo muna kami. The law enforcement and the health sector, let us do our job. You just stay home. And I'm asking the LGUs, you protect your citizens. Give their foods na. Kung hindi ninyo sila bibigyan ng pagkain, kung hindi ninyo sila kaalagaan, lalabas sila. Kaya sila lumalabas kasi wala silang makakain. They're afraid of what to eat this day and the following day. Pero, if you will take care of them, which is what you are supposed to do, and you were elected to do that, ngayon talaga, ngayon totoo yung kailangan, pakita mo yung pagiging mayor mo, pagiging governor mo, kailangan hindi niyo sa stock at magpapapicture sa mga truck na pagkain o na mga supplies na binili nyo. Tapos sinasabi ninyo, we bought this, this was donated to be used for our community in case of shortage. No, you give them now. You give it to them para tumahimik sila kasi mas shorten yung period na or yung dadami na may expose. Mas kaya natin. So bigay nyo na yung pagkain nila. Yung stimulate na manahimik lang sila. I-guarantee nyo sila, reassure nyo sila. And that's only can be done by giving them the food that they need.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.